Hello friends, this is Om Prakash Samantroy, Assistant Professor in CSC. We are discussing structured query language. In this video, we'll discuss group by and order by clause in SQL. So group by is used in conjunction with aggregate functions to group the results by one or more columns. Suppose you want to find out department wise number of employees in a company, or if you want to find out department wise minimum salary of the employees. So department wise, in the sense, in department 10 how many employees are there, they are grouped together. Similarly in department 20 how many employees are there, they are grouped together. And then we apply the aggregate functions like average or minimum or max or sum or count. These are the aggregate functions we can use on those groups to find out the corresponding results. You can see here, usually the group by is used in select statements. So this is a group by clause. So in the select statement, the syntax is as usual: select column name. If you want a specific column, you give us column name here. Otherwise, you simply you give a column name here. Otherwise, you can write a asterisk here if you need all the columns. Now you need to use aggregate functions here. Aggregate function in the sense AVG, count, min, max, sum. These are the aggregate functions used in SQL. From the table, you need to specify the table name from which table you want to extract these values. Where column name operator value, in where clause you can specify any condition as usual. If you want to specify any condition, you can specify here. At the end, you need to write the group by. That is, after the where clause and the condition, you need to specify write the group by clause. Group by, and this column name is very important. On which column you want to apply that group by, you need to specify. So as I have told you, department wise employees, in that case you need to apply the group by on the department number. So you need to write group by department number. Here having is optional. Having is always used with group by clause. So if you want to apply one more condition on the group by clause, then you need to use having. So having must be written after the group by clause. Suppose I want to find out those departments which contain minimum five employees. In that case, you need to group by based on the department number. Then you find out the count of the employees in each department, and then apply the condition like if the count is greater than 5, then only you'll get that the values must be included in the result. In that case, you need to use having along with the group by. So this is the syntax of group by. Let us see some uh, let us see some examples here. Select the average salary of each department. So average salary of each department. Let us see here. You know, there are several departments in department number is there in the employee table. Also you select star from EMP. Let us customize this. Yeah, to show the output in a customized way, I have used those two lines. So you can see here the department number is a column here. and based on these values I'll group. See, there are values 10, 20, 30. So 10 employees will be grouped together. Employees in department number are grouped together, and then we'll find out the average salary. What is the question? The question is average salary of each department. So what you need to write? Select department number, comma, average salary from employee table, group by which column? DEPT number. So you can see here DEPT number is displayed here. Department 30 average is displayed here. Department 20 average is displayed here. Similarly, if I want to know how many employees are there in each department, simply you have to use select DEPT number, count asterisks from EMP, group by DEPT number. So department wise, I need to display the result in department wise. That's why I'm using group by DEPT number. You can see in department 30 there are 6, department 20 there are 5. In this case, if I want to find out those departments whose count is greater than or equal to 5, in that case I have to use having. So in the same statement, if I write having count star greater than equals to uh, 5, then it will apply the condition on the result of group by. See, you can see the previous result, there are 3 rows. In this result there are only 2 rows because third one does not satisfy the condition. Count star greater than equals to 5. First 2 rows satisfy the condition. So having is used to specify a condition on the results of group by. So I have used count star here. Count is used to count the number of rows present in your table. So instead of star, you can also use some column name here. If I write count EMP number, that will also work. If I write count EMP number, that will also work, right? If you don't want to specify any column name, you simply write asterisk symbol. Similarly, if I want to find out the maximum salary of each department, maximum salary, you need to write max, max. So max is the aggregate function. Similarly, min can also be used to find out the minimum salary, or sum can also be used to find out the total salary in each department. So group by is often used with the aggregate functions, right? So if you want to group the rows based on a certain column and then apply some functions on that, you need to use the group by clause, right? So you need to remember that statement. So you can consider the third example. If you would like to find out departments whose average salary is greater than 3000, then you can use the having clause. I want department wise average salary, and the average salary must be greater than 3000. In that case, you use the group by using department number, group by on the department number column, then apply the having clause. That is the command, SQL command to answer this question. So we have already seen these are the aggregate functions, right? Order by is another clause used in SQL to arrange the values either in ascending order or descending order. Suppose in this uh, select asterisk from EMP. If I want to order the name of the employees, you simply write select asterisk from EMP order by ename. You can see the e-names are arranged in ascending order. In the previous video, I have not, in the previous command, I have not used order by. That's why the values are displayed like this. But in this command, I have used order by on the ename column. You can see it starts with A, Adams, Allen. So in ascending order, the values are arranged. So if you want that in descending order, you simply write DESC. You can see it starts with the Ward, Turner, Smith, Scott. You need to consider this column. Ward, Turner, Smith, Scott, Miller. So this is in descending order. So you need to specify DESC here for descending order. Or you can specify ASC for ascending order. Even if you don't write ASC, it will automatically arrange the values in ascending order. Right. Fine. So by default, the order by will arrange the values in ascending order here. For descending order, explicitly you need to write DESC. Right. This is the syntax. Select column name in place of column 1, column 2. You can also use asterisk symbol if you need all the columns. From the table where condition as usual up to this, the syntax is as usual. Right, up to this the syntax is as usual. Then you use order by. After order by, you need to use the column name on which order by is applied, and then either ascending or descending. So ascending is optional here. If you don't write anything, then the values are arranged in ascending order. Otherwise, you need to specify DESC for descending order, right? So you can also write number of columns here. Order by can also be used on multiple columns. For example, if I write, suppose I write order by department number. Let's say I'll write select asterisk from EMP order by DPT number, comma, salary. Better I will change the EMP number, ename, DPT number, comma, salary. So you can see here the order by is applied in two levels. The first level is your DPT number and the second level is your salary. So DPT number is the first level, salary is the second level. The first order by is applied on DPT number. See, the columns are displayed in this way because I have specified here the names in this order. If you write asterisk here, then the order of the columns will be same as the order of the columns in the table. Right, I have specified the names here. That's why these are displayed in this way. So the department number is ordered here. The tens are displayed first, then 20 are displayed, then 30 are displayed. And within 10, the salary, see there are three values for 10, and within the 10, the salaries are arranged in ascending order because I have not specified anything here, ascending or descending. So by default, that is displayed in ascending order. Similarly, within the rows which contain 20 as the department number, the salary values are ordered in ascending order. So this is the second level. So first level is DPT number, second level is your salary. So you can also specify the If I write DESC here, you can see department number is ordered in ascending order, and within that department number the salary are ordered in descending order. Three rows containing department number 10. For these three rows the salary values are ordered in descending order, because I have written DESC here, right? So this order by is also applied on multiple columns. So the first column will indicate the first level, which will be applied first. So this is the use of order by in SQL. Please subscribe this channel so that you'll get notifications of the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.